So after integers, so next one is a fraction. So what is a fraction definition? That a numbers which is in the form of p by q and p comma q are natural numbers. The numbers which is in the form of p by q, where p comma q are natural numbers, is called fraction. The numbers which is in the form of p by q, where p comma q are natural numbers, then the numbers are called fraction. Or the fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of a whole. So example, this is a cake. This cake is divided into 4 equal parts. So you take it as one piece. This is one part of this total whole. This is one part of this total whole. So that's why this is called a fraction. So what is a fraction? This value, total 4 parts is there, taken one part 1 by 4. This is a fraction. Okay. So this is in the form of p by q, like this. This is in the form of p by q, where p comma q are natural numbers. Natural numbers means except 0 and negative. So in fraction we did not get negatives, means minus 2 by 3 did not get like this in a fraction. So fraction is always positive. Here remaining how many parts are there? 3 parts. So it is represent 3 by 4. It is represent 3 by 4. Remaining 3 parts. These 3 parts represent 3 by 4. So fractions did not have negatives. So that's why the numbers which is in the form of p by q, where p comma q are natural numbers, that is called fractions. Or the fraction is a part of a whole. Part of a whole, that is called fraction. Okay. So what is a proper fraction? If a numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator, then it is called proper fraction. This is proper fraction. This is also proper fraction. Numerator is less than denominator, that is called proper fraction. Already you know it. What is improper fraction? Numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator, that is improper fraction. What is mixed fraction? The whole number together with proper fraction. Whole number together with proper fraction is called mixed fraction. So 2 by 5, 4 by 7, 8 by 13. These are proper fraction. Why? Because numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. Such type of fractions are called proper fraction. So if you take like this, 5 by 2, 7 by 4, 13 by 8, like this. These are improper fraction. Improper fraction. Here numerator is greater than the denominator. If a numerator is greater than the denominator, such type of fractions are called improper fraction. If a numerator is less than the denominator, such type of fractions are called proper fraction. What is a mixed fraction? The whole number together with proper fraction. Whole number together with proper fraction. 2 3 by 4, 1 5 by 6, 7 2 by 5. So these are mixed fraction. Okay. Whole number and together with proper fraction. Okay. So the combination of both whole numbers together with proper fraction. So such type of fractions are called mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. Okay. What is unit fraction? So the fractions having numerator is 1. If numerator is 1, they are called unit fractions. Okay. So every fraction fractions. So what is the next one? Rational numbers. After discussing rational numbers, what is the difference of fractions and rational numbers? I will explain. Rational numbers. Rational numbers. So what are the rational numbers? The numbers which is in the form of p by q, where p comma q are integers. P comma q are integers and must and should q not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. It is denoted by q. Q means quotient. It is denoted by q. Q means if one number is divided by another number, we get result quotient. So that's why it is denoted by q, not r, q. Okay, the numbers which is in the form of p by q. What is the definition of fraction? The numbers which is in the form of p by q, where p comma q are natural numbers. Natural numbers means did not get negative. Okay, all are positives only and not included 0. Okay, but rational numbers, the numbers which is in the form of p by q, where p comma q are integers. Integers means compulsory having negative also. Integers and q, in place of q don't take 0. If you take numerator is 0, no problem, but don't take in denominator place 0. Why? Because if you take 0, something by 0, that is undefined. So that's why in denominator don't take 0. So the numbers which is in the form of p by q, where p comma q are integers and q not equal to 0, such type of numbers are called rational numbers. It is denoted by q. So is a natural numbers or rational numbers? Is a natural numbers or rational numbers? See this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are natural numbers. So these all are rational numbers. Yes, now observe here. 1 can be written as 1 by 1, 2 can be written as 2 by 1, 3 can be written as 3 by 1, 4 can be written as 4 by 1. So this is in the form of p by q. So that's why all natural numbers are rational numbers. All natural numbers are rational numbers. All whole numbers, yes, all whole numbers are rational numbers. All whole numbers means include 0. Okay, don't take in denominator plus 0. If you take numerator, no problem, 0 by 1. 0 can be written as 0 by 1. Okay, so that's why all whole numbers are rational numbers. Integers. So here minus 1 can be written as minus 1 by 1. Minus 3 can be written as minus 3 by 1. So this is in the form of p by q. P comma q are integers. Yes or no? And q not equal to 0. Here not that 0. So that's why this is in the form of p by q. So that's why this is also rational numbers. Means minus 3 also rational numbers. Means all integers are rational numbers. All fractions also. 2 by 3 fraction, 3 by 5 fraction, 7 by 9 fraction, these all are fractions. All fractions are rational numbers, but all rational numbers may not be fractions. Why? Because minus 2 by 3, this is a rational number, that is not a fraction, that is not a fraction, this is only rational number. So that's why all fractions are rational numbers, but all rational numbers may not be fractions. Okay, minus 2 by 3, that is only rational number, that is not a fraction. So all natural numbers are whole numbers, all whole numbers are integers, all integers are rational numbers. So all natural numbers are integers, whole numbers. Why? Because what is the definition of whole numbers? All natural numbers together with 0. So that's why all natural numbers are whole numbers. All whole numbers may not be natural numbers. Why? Because 0 is whole number, but 0 is not natural numbers. All whole numbers are integers. All whole numbers are integers. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is also both values are including integers. All natural numbers are integers. All whole numbers are integers. Okay. So all integers also rational numbers. All natural numbers are rational numbers. All whole numbers are rational numbers. All integers are rational numbers. Okay. So n subset w. This is called a subset. N subset, w subset, z subset, rational numbers. So rational numbers are denoted by q. So what are the positive rational numbers? A rational number is said to be positive if positive rational numbers. Positive rational numbers. What are the positive rational numbers? A rational number is said to be a positive rational numbers if numerator and denominator both have same sign. Same sign. Numerator and denominator of rational numbers having same sign, that is a positive rational number. Okay. So now see this. A rational number is said to be positive. A rational number is said to be positive if numerator and denominator both have same sign. 1 by 2. Here numerator is plus, denominator also plus. Minus 1 by minus 3. Numerator is negative, denominator also negative. Negative, negative cancel. So it becomes a positive only. This is positive rational number, this is positive rational number. Minus 4 by minus 7. If you cancel, it becomes a positive. 12 by 13. So this is also positive. Means numerator and denominator both have same sign, that is positive rational numbers. If a rational number is said to be positive rational number if numerator and denominator have same sign. Negative rational number. What is negative rational number? So negative rational number means a rational number is said to be negative if numerator and denominator have opposite sign. Opposite sign means numerator, if numerator is positive, denominator is negative. If denominator is positive, numerator is negative. A rational number is said to be negative rational numbers if numerator and denominator are opposite side. Numerator and denominator both have opposite side. Okay, so 1 by minus 2 like this. Numerator and denominator both having opposite side. One is positive, one is negative. Minus 2 by 3. Minus 5 by 7. Minus 20 by plus 20 like this. Okay. 2 by minus 5 like this. These all are negative rational numbers. Why? Because numerator and denominator both having opposite sign, means both different signs. So that's why this is a negative rational numbers. Next, what is the standard form? Standard form of rational numbers. What is the standard form of rational number? A rational number is said to be standard form if both numerator and denominator having common factor. Common factor is only 1. Having only common factor 1. Or does not having any common factor except 1. So standard form of rational number. A rational number p by q is said to be in standard form if p and q are have common factor 1. Common factor 1, only 1 as the common factor of p and q, then the rational number p by q is said to be in standard form. What is the standard form? A rational number p by q is said to be standard form if p and q means numerator and denominator have common factor only 1. Common factor, both are have common factor only 1. Okay, so that is standard form. See this example, 4 by 10 is there. Okay, this is not in standard form. Standard form means are a simplified form like that only. Okay, so 2 table both having common factor 2. So 2 table 2 times, 2 table 5 times. So it becomes 2 by 5. This is standard form. Why? Because numerator and denominator both having one only common factor. So one table only cancel. Okay, so that's why this is standard form. 100 by 250 like this is there. Okay, so 100 means 10 table 10 times 25 times. Next 10 by 25 means 5 table 2 times 5 times. So we get 2 by 5. So this is also standard form of this rational number. Okay, 15 by 54. So which table cancel? 3 table. 3 5s are 3 1s 3, 3 8s. So we get 5 by 18. Okay, so that is also standard form of this rational numbers, means numerator and denominator having only one as the common factor. Okay, that is standard form.